All right, guys, George Flower Parks After Dark. We are getting on. What's the name of the ride?
The little, it started. I'm getting the Hollywood Studios show confused. It's the Little Mermaid ride at Magic Kingdom. The Journey of the Little Mermaid.
Journey of the Little Mermaid. So.
Oh, it's Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid.
Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid. So this is George Flower Parks After Dark. We are here at Magic Kingdom and we want to see us a mermaid. This is one of the best queues ever. We love this queue. It's just, at night, it's so much magical, but during the day you can see all the detail, the work they did. This is great. One of the best things Disney does, they know how to move people, right? They visually want you to watch stuff and not think about standing in line. So we're going straight through here. And now it's starting to cool off a little bit. We're out of the sun. Life is good. That's where we just came from. And that's where we're going. Alright, I feel it. And now we just got to the cold air, so life is good. Well, felt the cold air for a second. Just the details. We love the details Disney brings to the table. Real quick. We're going straight in, which is great. That's where we came from. That way.
They can't walk about 30 minutes.
We're in here. So guys, when we get into the ride, we'll hit bang.
It began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. Wait, no. It began when King Triton got old man and Ursula took Ariel's voice and Ariel's human stuff. This is a great
Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately. Stay in your seats now.
You want to think of the box? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ariel, listen to me. Get your head out of the clouds and back in the water where it belongs. We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there. We got to steer it. You got to hear it under the sea. The fruit is the root of soul. They play the leaves on the street. The town walking out the black fish. She sees his hand and his pipe. They know where it's at. I know that sea. Darling, it's winter down where it's winter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they slave away. While we keep walking, more time floating under the sea. Down in all the fish is happy. It's up through the wind view. The fish on the land is happy. But we said go leave the pool. But fish in the pool is happy. One day when they must get hungry.
She smells the smell. Said something about being in love with you. We sent her to Earth now. Yeah. Earth lies great powers. See for yourself. Oh yeah. See for yourself. How much is there?
This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help you? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my golden house, such days, and I help them. Yes, I do. Hallelujah, Hallelujah, the winds of the Caspian Sea. Racers, lost sighted, next laryngitis, not good shape to be. I believe the past I've been in this time. They will kill you like a
no time will be better. She won't say a word, she won't say a word until you kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, don't let the boy too shy, ain't gonna kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, that's
Well, that's the way I remember it anyway.